Hello, my name is Leandro, and we're gonna talk about bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the scientific discipline that combines biology, computation, and technologies of the information. The aim of this discipline is to facilitate new biological perceptions and to create a global perspective that allows to identify the beginning unifiers of the biology. Initially, the bioinformatics was dealing especially with the creation of databases of biological information, especially use sequence, and of the development of tools for the utilization and analysis of the information contained in these databases.
Hi, I am Brian Lopez. I will speak about who used this term of first time. In the 60s, L. Pauling and Margaret Diehoff elaborates his theory on the molecular evolution. One of the pioneers of the bioinformatics published the first one of the atlas of the sequence of protein that will have the continuity in the later years. They will turn into a groundwork into the statistical development some years later of the years of substitution and will be the predecessor of the current database of proteins. In the area of the technology of computers, then there appear in the HRRP, the Project Agency of Advanced Investigation, the protocols of commutation of data packets on the network of the computers that will allow to join little later several computers of different universities in USA. There had born ARPANET, which later was turned Internet.
Tim Berners-Lee invents the web worldwide by means of application of protocols of network that exploit the characteristics of the hypertext. In 1991, the definitive protocols of Internet CERN and the first version of the operating system Linux, very used later in scientific applications. In 1998, Craig Venter founds Celera, a company that will perfect the sequence of Perdigonada of F. Sanger and will analyze the results with own software.
Hi, I'm Victor Medina, and I will speak about the area in which bioinformatics is applied and why it's important for the future. The revelation of human genome complete sequence made possible the understanding of molecular cause of disease, as well as the discovery of signification of genetic difference among humans became for the development of disease. The research of 21st century while developing the understanding of who genetic variants and regular organs, tissues, cells, phenotype, and it's precisely in the search where the bioinformatics is introduced. An emerging science that uses the new information technology to gather, organize, analyze, and supply biological information aimed at answering complex questions of biology. Nevertheless, the final objective is wider and is that of using this information to develop new methods to cure, manage, and prevent disease, but the way from get information to the discourse of effective treatments as long of complex.
The role of the system engineer in bioinformatics to solve problems by analyzing data for simulation of systems and mechanisms of biological. For this purpose, you must use various techniques among what can be highlighted the stages: advanced mathematics, artificial intelligence, chemistry, and biochemistry.
The human body consists of 100 billion cells. If we join their DNA, we can reach the sun and back more than 600 times. All this information is carried by a combination of just 4 letters. But the whole human genome can fill up a book which has more than 1,000 volumes. Reading of this book could take years, but fortunately we can use computers. For example, criminology. You have a suspect, but you don't have the evidence. Bioinformatics allows for comparison of the DNA of the suspect with the DNA of the offender. It allows us to read the genome of the mammoth and understand it. It helps to find new and better cures, to seek for relationships and compare genomes. It makes a global database accessible to everyone, but hardly anybody knows how it works and understands it. Now you have a great opportunity to study a modern scientific discipline and discover the mysteries of nature and life. Bioinformatics is a joint cross-border study program in the heart of Europe. In Austria in Linz and in the Czech Republic in České Budějovice. Modern approaches, a top computer science background and laboratories, reputable professors, contacts with international research workplaces, study in English.
And
Who used this term at first?
Ah, no, no tienes que decir esto.
Pero colócalo bien.
¡Ey! Se trabó esta vaina.
presentation, The revelation of human genome complete. Of human genome complete sequence makes